Okay, my friend, welcome back to my new video, how to build your list, how to get unlimited leads, and how I get almost 2,800 leads in the last 3 months. You can see there's unlimited leads here. Okay, this is my list, my lead, and I am getting leads every single day. You can see the number here of leads. You can see the date. Every day I am getting leads all the day. You can see unlimited leads. So how I make this, how I am getting this leads, I will show you exactly how I am doing this and how I growing my list every single day. Okay, so first you need a good landing page. Okay, you need something like this, very good, very nice landing page. If you don't have a landing page, you can go to Google and type free landing page templates, and you will find unlimited websites that you can get unlimited landing pages to use on your website. There's a landing pages for a host and for WordPress. If you have a WordPress, all you have to do is searching for your landing page and to use it. Okay, now let's close this. So like I said, this is my landing page. I have more landing pages that I am using online. I am promoting these landing pages everywhere, okay? But if you want fast leads, you have to use paid traffic. So I will show you 3 traffic source that you can use to build your list and get real traffic. It's a worldwide traffic. A lot of traffic is from USA. This is very important to get traffic from English speaker countries. So let's start. So this is my landing page. Traffic source number 1 is Safe Traffic Rotator. This is the website. Let's take my landing page, and all you have to do is just put your name here, your email, and your URL. Choose your package. If you want to build your list, you have to choose unlimited traffic. I recommend to use let's say 100 website visitors. Of course, it's your choice, and you have to get traffic to your landing page. You can grow and build your list using this website. This is very safe traffic. So you can promote anything using this website. Okay, traffic source number 2 is Turbo website traffic. You can see this is the website. There's unlimited product on this website. So how this work? You have here in the top advertising, and then you will get this form. So you have to put your landing page, of course, choose your package, and run your landing page and get leads. Okay, traffic source number 3 is traffic cache list. You can find this website. Just type in Google traficcashlist.com. You will find this website. This is an amazing website. You can get unlimited visitors to your landing page. Usually I am using unlimited website visitors for 3 months. You have here get unlimited website traffic for 3 months, only $200. You don't have to use this. If you want, you can use get unlimited website traffic for 1 month and get unlimited leads. This that was paid traffic. If you want free traffic, you can go to Traf Post. You can see this website. You can add a new website, and all you have to do is put your landing page here and save it, and you will get unlimited traffic. This is slowly traffic. I don't know how many leads or a conversion you can get from this website. This is very slowly traffic, but yes, you can get leads and you can get a real human traffic to your landing page. Okay, more free traffic. You can go to US largest safe list. You can put your banner. Okay, you can put your banner here. All you have to do is go to banners and add rotator. You can see my landing page here, and this is my clicks. Okay, this is not a lot of clicks, but you can get some leads from this website for free. This website is a traffic exchange. You can log in for free and make some credit and get leads every single day. Okay, so if you want to grow your list, if you want to build your list, you have to get traffic all the time to your landing page. Better if you can use, of course, paid and fast traffic. And that's all, guys. I hope you like this video. Like you see, I am getting hundreds of leads, and I think you can get these leads also and grow your list every single day. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos, for more updates, and comment if you need any help below this video. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.